It's feeling like spring, so I went to my local CVS to grab some more makeup. My CVS was stocked with so many good things. I'm so excited to show. I feel like I can't find the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty wands anywhere. Once I have a brush, this is going to look amazing, but it looks really good. From Joa, I got this lip liner in rose, and I figured that would be the perfect spring color. Oh, that's such a pretty shade. Perfectly paired with the brand new Physicians Formula Diamond Filler. It's for both cheeks and lips, and this one is in Brilliant Peach, another great shade for spring. A perfect match to that lip liner. It's a very silky finish. You can see the little glow. I'm just gonna put a little there. Love a good monochromatic look too, and these lips and this. That's so pretty. I already had a little bit of blush on before, but this is just so pretty.